gives me repose. Near restful waters, He leads me. He revives my soul.
The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want.
He guides me along the right path for the sake of His name. Though I should walk in the valley of the shadow of death, no evil would I fear, for You are with me. Your crook and Your staff will give me comfort.
The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want.
You have prepared a table before me in the sight of my foes. My head You have anointed with oil, my cup is